All right, guys. I feel like I've been looking at this one for a while, but we've come to it. We're battling for 7 Lukes. I'm assuming it's winner take all, as I can't see anything to indicate anything to the contrary. So, looks like we got a bunch of nice ones here. I got 150 spots. And then I'm going to copy and take over to random. I'm going to find our winner. Copy him here. 7 Lukes. By Luke. Paste him in here. I got 150, which is fantastic. There they all are. Once I get to the top of this big old list, I'm going to roll the dice to see how many rounds we're going to go. We got to get at least a 5 to play. Well, I got a 3, which is not sufficient. I got a 9, which is. Good luck, everybody. Let's give away some Lukes. David takes round 1. Gary 2. Todd takes 3 and 4. Troy round 5 with 103. Don takes round 6. Kenneth 7. Ron in the top spot for our next to last round, round 8 with number 88. A lot of 8s there in the 8th round. But now we've come to the one that matters, the final round. And if I'm able to spell the words good luck, we'll find us a winner. Here we go. I did it. And the winner is Ron in at number 126. Congratulations, Ron. A bunch of Lukes coming your way, which is always awesome. I'm a fan. And there we go is our verification code to make it official. SRABGZ is our verification code. There's our winner. And I am done. That's 6:59 p.m. One last time. Here's the official results. Congratulations, Ron. See you next time, guys. Thank you.